Break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Ever feel like you're working hard, earning more, but somehow still stuck in the same place financially? It's the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and it traps millions of people. Here's the truth. Escaping that cycle isn't about making more money, it's about keeping more of it. Because if your income rises, but your expenses rise just as fast, you'll always be chasing stability, but never catching it. Let me walk you through exactly how to break free. Step 1. Awareness. Track every dollar. Start with awareness. Before you make changes, you need a clear picture of your current habits. Track every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Yes, every dollar. The coffee, the Uber, the vending machine snack. This isn't about guilt. It's not about shame. It's about data, because you can't fix what you can't see. When I did this, I was shocked. I thought I was spending $200 on food. It was closer to $500. Once you uncover the truth about your money patterns, you finally take back control. Step 2. Budget based on values. Now that you've tracked your spending, it's time to build a budget that reflects your values. Forget the idea that budgeting is about cutting out all the fun. A good budget isn't about restriction, it's about alignment. If you love dining out, keep it. But cut back on things you don't care about, like unused apps, impulsive online shopping, or that fourth streaming service. Give every dollar a job. Every expense should have a purpose that serves your goals, not sabotages them. When your budget supports what matters most, you're more likely to stick to it because it finally feels right. Step 3. Automate your savings. Automate your savings. This is one of the most powerful money moves you can make. Even if it's just $50 per paycheck, set it to move automatically to a separate savings account before you even see it. Here's why this works. If you wait to see what's left at the end of the month, there's usually nothing left. But when you automate it, saving becomes effortless, consistent, invisible, but powerful. And over time, that small action builds serious momentum. Step 4. Cut invisible leaks. Now let's talk about invisible money leaks. The sneaky expenses that quietly drain your account. Here's how to patch them up. Cancel subscriptions you're not using. That $12 a month gym app you forgot about. Gone. Switch to cheaper service plans. Downgrade your phone, internet, or streaming if you're not using the extras. Negotiate your bills. You'd be surprised how many companies will lower your rate just to keep you. Step 5. Increase income intentionally. Cutting back is powerful, but increasing your income takes things to the next level. Don't wait for the perfect side hustle. Start where you are. Ask for a raise based on your value. Offer a skill on freelance platforms. Turn a hobby into a weekend gig. Maybe you write, or design, or tutor. There's something you can monetize. You don't need to earn thousands right away. Even an extra $200 a month can change your trajectory. It can pay off debt, grow your savings, or help you invest in your future. Don't underestimate small streams. They often lead to big rivers. Step 6. The lifestyle trap. Here's a trap to watch out for. Lifestyle inflation. This happens when every raise or bonus goes straight into upgraded living. A nicer car, or a bigger apartment, more stuff. But the cycle doesn't end when you hit a certain income. It ends when you choose not to let your lifestyle grow with your income. What changes everything is this. When you start living below your means, not because you have to, but because you want to. That's when real wealth starts building. Every small win matters, because $20 here, $15 there, it adds up. And those savings give you the breathing room you need to finally get ahead. Finally, mindset shift and encouragement. Escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck life isn't just about money. It's about peace, freedom, options. It's about waking up without dread. Knowing your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your choices are expanding. This isn't an overnight transformation, but it is possible. It starts with small steps, done consistently. The habits may seem simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. If you stay committed, even when it's boring, even when it's hard, your future self will thank you. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start thriving, hit that subscribe button, click follow, and join thousands of others who have decided to break free financially. Because financial freedom isn't just for the lucky, it's for the intentional. Let's build it together, one habit at a time.